hello. Let's see what decisions you'll make today.
Okay. Let's see what decision you make today 大家記唔記大家
At 6 a.m. this morning, a national
今
curfew
日
was
清
declared.
晨6點戒
Civilian
嚴
movement will be strictly controlled.
咩啊
The right to assembly
禁
is
止集會
suspended.
權
All electronic
禁止所有
communications
電
are
訊
restricted, and I have granted
授
enhanced
予
powers
更
to
高
our
嘅
security
權力
agencies.
Wow
In
thank you
addition to these measures, all
咩啊 所有
tangibles
火山人
must
必
be
須上
handed
繳
over
當
to
局
the
惡交
authorities immediately. Temporary camps are being set up in all our
Immediately?
major cities to contain and destroy them. I am now
Destroy them?
asking
你覺得
all
啲機械人仲
civilians
肯
to
出嚟咩
cooperate with the authorities and rest assured that
Rest
everything in
assured.
our power is being done to guarantee the security of our nation.
security
Madam President! Madam President!
Please! Is it true that a large number of deviants are still on the loose?
We don't have the full reports at this time, but if so, I can assure
咦
you
唔
they
記得
will
玩到
soon
邊
be
老實講我都係
apprehended and destroyed.
Please? Please?
仿生人遭
Is it true that the androids could hack our IT systems, like nuclear power plants and military bases?
All androids
好啊
working
拜拜
on sensitive sites have been
當貪老
neutralized.
師喂靚唔靚 嗨嗨
IT systems have been suspended to avoid any
避免
risks
黑
of
客入侵
hacking.
喎 OK
The situation is under control.
Please!
Please 其實咪全部都撳得㗎
Has the leader of the deviants been apprehended?
The
落
deviant
網
that is known
哇
as
Marcus
Marcus
喎
has
已經
not
知
been
道
located
喎
yet, but we will soon
啊唔
track
係喎
it
之前新聞
down
都報
and
過
neutralize it.
Madam President! Madam President!
哇咁多㗎
Please!
Madam President, public opinion seems to have become increasingly favorable
越
to
嚟
the
越支
deviants,
持呢個異常
particularly
仿
since
生
they've
人喎，佢
adopted
哋
a
採取
peaceful
和平
approach.
路線之後更加顯著，你哋嘅觀感
Public
係咩？
opinion is one
輿
thing,
論係
the
一回
security of the
事，國
state is
家安全亦
another.
都係另外一回
These
事。
deviants are
異
dangerous,
常仿
and
生
my
人有呢個
highest
危險
priority
性啊！
is
我
to
哋優先嘅
protect
職
the
責就係
American
保護
people.
美國人民啊！
Thank you.
多謝
That will
我
be
嘅
all.
報告。到呢度，喂，多謝 Lam Lam 訂閱 Level One 啊，第5個月啊，唔係訂閱咗5個月啊！喂，Hi 阿 Po，打冷笑我冇開 cam 啊！哇！而家我哋做緊啲咩？我唔記得咗啊，其實。啊落咬到佢，太耐冇玩啊！
Connor Model 313,
313.
317.
喂，多謝阿 Po，訂閱咧封咗55個月喎，黐撚線，都要做咗㗎啦。
Okay.
啊，係喎，好似話咩幫異常仿生人媽入侵裏面啊嘛，係咪啊？但我唔記得咗，我真係唔係好記得。哇！哇！呢個咁先進嘅喺地下嗰度插啲嘢上嚟。哇！我哋使唔使開車㗎？佢唔使開車，有 taxi 喎。佢坐的士，佢俾的士入去。吓？竟然唔係有人揸車，點解咁大個巨人喺左手邊嘅黐撚線啊？海嘅對面係乜嘢？海嘅對面係 GU 㗎 GU 佢完全一啲都唔似異常喎。佢異常咗嘅話，唔係會紅色嘅咩？佢唔係異常咗咩？我記得我哋令到佢異常咗喎，點解佢仲係藍色嘅？定係佢要不穩佢先會變紅色啊 ？Follow me，
Thanks.
我都帶你過去。
But I know where to go.
但係我知道應該點樣做，唔係點
But
樣
I
去
have。my orders.
但係我有呢個命令啊，要跟住佢。OK。我冇得行其他地方，冇得撳，得我個頭喺度喐嘅啫喎。完啦！哇！哇 ！Identify 康納型仿生人。哦。Access 啊！可以左右喐啦。做咩啊？冇咩啊？做咩啊？佢要我望咩啊？ 畫面咁樣嘅。不穩定先會有變化，係先。呢度真係個巨人啊！黐線。哇！我有啲點邊個啊 Amanda？ 點邊個啊
Agent 54, level 31.
？Everybody
Access authorized.
access authorized。抵達咩？地下49層啊！吓？等陣先，做乜嘢啊？咩殺死警衛？電梯抵達31樓前停住電梯？吓？吓？即係點啊？我哋又要殺人啊？等先，我開個暖風機先，有啲凍啊！吓？我哋啱啱玩咗冇耐就要殺人？哎呀，講真㗎，這是真的嗎？跟住使用面板喎，我哋仲有得。哎呀，等我陣。失敗，所以係一定要殺嘅。我哋冇得使用面板咩？等陣先，我係咪撳錯咗啊？吓咁吓？我哋冇得使用面板啊？咁咪有冇得重新嚟過啊？係咪一定要殺㗎？想辦法逃離喎，電梯內喎，佢3個選項嘅喎，我應該哦，我好專心啊！哇屌！哇！我想講我見唔到佢出 D 咯，哇！死啦！大件事啦！我哋殺咗人啊！
Please indicate your identity and destination.
Agent 54, level sub 49.
哇！
Voice recognition validated. Access authorized.
哇！但係一睇到見到死鳩晒喎，點算啊？仆街啦！係人都知我哋咩啦。
The last bus leaves in 20 minutes. That doesn't give us much time. We've got to move fast.
我最後一班公車20分鐘喎，你班車就會走。哇！一嚟就已經要咩啦
Are you alright?
？Are you right？
I'm really cold.
覺得好凍啊！關閉啦。
You'll feel better now.
You will feel better now。冇人幫佢刪咗佢噶嘛 ？Fans， 佢把聲係咪電音咗啊？開始有啲。好啦，我哋要趕公車啊！唉，我哋公車，呢啲係乜嘢啊？呢啲乜嘢啊？咩嚟㗎？哇！做咩啊？做咩啊？睇到啲咩啊？我想問。佢睇，哇！唔好意思，唔小心帶咗啲小朋友睇咗啲唔應該睇嘅嘢添。Hello， 家豪，我有槍喎。我哋應唔應該執槍咧？但我哋執出犯法嘅好似。唔好睇 ，BB 仔，唔好睇。 屌都要攞咯，冇理由唔攞噶嘛，係咪先？唉，我哋已經打死咗幾個人啦，仆街！仆街！我哋嘅和平，仆街！
Let's not stay here.
我哋離開呢度啦！哇！咩嚟㗎？哇
No, please
！No,
don't hurt me.
please don't hurt me！哇！而家係咁殺機械人啊！我哋要點
We
做
have
啊
to？keep going if
如
we're
果
gonna
搭
catch
到
that
架
bus.
巴士嘅話，就會繼續向前行㗎啦。我哋繼續前進，繼續出發
Stay，close to me. We're going to sneak past them without
偷
being
偷地
noticed.
通過，唔好被發
We're going to make it, Alice. I promise you.
現。I promise you。OK。
Don't kill me. I didn't do anything.
Shut up, I said! Are there many more?
低風險，
Well, you look the more you find.
咁做啲
We
咩
don't
啊
have to spend the night here. Freezing my nuts off. It's gonna take weeks to get this fight. We are far from finished yet.
跟住咧，嚇
There are soldiers everywhere. We need to be careful.
高風險喎、
Come on, get moving.
哎，低風險啦。哦，咁樣嘅。我哋掂行掂過，係咪一定俾人 check 啊？哎！哎！
We can't have it, Alice. The soldiers are everywhere.
哇！見到我哋嘅爸爸，係咯？點解？等陣先，等陣先。咩啊？啱啱點解會攞槍殺人？唔係唔攞得嘅咩？你講緊邊個啊？你講緊邊個啊？救佢啦，梗係冇理由唔救噶，
Let's go.
冇理由唔救噶。我同你講，一定係救噶呢個位，但我要點做咧？我想問，我要點做？我點樣可以救啊
Hey, buddy.
？Hey buddy，
This is a mistake.
呢個係個誤會啊！我係人類嚟噶，
I just want to go home.
我淨係想翻
My
屋企
wife
咋
is。expecting me, and we're
Got
gonna.
orders to check all civilians.
檢查所有民眾，佢會點樣 check 咧咁？
No. No, please.
嚇佢掃一掃就掃，佢掃一掃就已經知道係咩噶咯，原來。哇！
Fucking androids.
哦，原來我哋行得嘅。我掛住喺度睇添，仆街！尋找武器。Kara，
You shouldn't have risked your
你
life.
唔應該冒住生命危險嚟救我嘅。
Where's Alice?
She's hiding nearby.
Kara, you saved us.
你係
We
邊
don't
個
know how
啊
to thank you.
Go before they see you.
Before they see you。
Alice.
Alice，loser！
I thought you were dead.
我以為你死咗啊！哇
I was afraid I
哇！我哋救到佢啊，好嘢！
I wanted to meet you at the terminal.
原本想去車站嗰個集合㗎，但係中途俾佢哋捉住啊！嚟啦，我哋要走啦，我哋好接近啦，已經冇幾多時間啦。高風險。冇喎，我哋得呢度㗎啫喎。我哋係，哇！老實講，佢咁鬼大嚿都見唔到，跟住啲人又唔會報串喎，傳嘢喎。我成日撳唔到，搞到我好驚啊！我撳第一下冇反應，撳第二三下先有反應，嚇死人！逃跑！我擰轉面啦！望咩望？哇！我哋係咪得啦？我哋係咪成功啦？喺 lift 入面， 我都唔知點解會殺人。我懷疑係因為我撳咗模擬殺人啊。佢有得直接撳個面板，但係我撳完殺人之後冇得撳翻個面板咯。
We have passports. It should be okay, but you never know.
Maybe we should take the detour and avoid the risk.
We're almost out of time. We could miss the bus.
Yeah, but it might be safer.
仆街選擇路線，有風險3分鐘。等先，尾班車9分鐘就會開，咁我都冇得揀啦。嗰個11分鐘喎，你係咪玩嘢啊？11分鐘喎，11分鐘我點樣都冇計㗎啦！我呢個時間太咩啦？趕唔上喎嗰邊。
Don't like humans who carry guns. They make me nervous.
They make me nervous.
Stay calm, all right, Luther? Don't do anything until I say so.
ID, please.
ID please.
You do realize there's a curfew?
你而家知道
Civilians aren't
實
allowed out
行
unless
緊戒
absolutely
嚴。
necessary. Where are you going?
Where you going？ 以愛麗絲為藉口戒嚴車子拋啲咩啊？苗啊？公車仆街啦！我哋點算啊？戒嚴係咩啊？車子拋咩？我哋呢個係咩啊？咩意思啊？車子拋咩？公車直接搭佢公車應該唔得㗎，係咪啊？係咪唔得㗎？如果直接搭佢公車嘅話，部車死咗火。部車死咗火應該都唔使3個人啦。戒嚴係咩意思啊？跟住公車，如果我哋而家戒嚴唔俾出去嘅話，應該都唔俾我哋就咁上車走噶嘛。應該唔係搭呢個啦，係嘛？愛麗絲做藉口好唔好啊？我覺得愛麗絲做藉口可以。算啦，我哋揀呢個啦。
My daughter slept over at a friend's house. We went to pick her
我
up.
哋
We're on
會
our way
接
home
佢
now.
返屋
You
企而
suspect
家
something?
保持冷
Stay
靜。
calm. Everything is fine.
哦，佢哋
You all right, little girl?
哦，
Something wrong?
She's sick. A bad flu. We just need to get her home.
Sorry, miss, but we gotta be careful. There are deviants around, and our guys are nervous. You should
OK，
hurry on home.
快啲返屋企 ，thank you，thank you。唉，屌，我熄咗佢嗰個嘢添。
Hey, wait a minute.
Oh shit！
He knows, Kara. They're gonna kill us.
Don't do anything, Luther. You hear me?
They're gonna shoot. They're gonna kill Alice.
You drop this.
Thank you。
You're welcome.
嗰個男人搞到好緊張啊！你明唔明啊？唉，用愛麗絲做藉口啦，可以話佢病之類。係啊，我做咗啦。上千個仿生人響城入面遊行緊，領袖咧就係 Marcus， 向呢個遊行嘅隊頭啊！哇！
Something's happening in Detroit.
底特律發生大事啦，總統！哇！我哋嘅 Marcus become human 耶利哥首領往回收營方向遊行，點解我哋又遊行嘅？我唔記得咗啊！因為我哋最後尾揀咗和平係嘛？雖然邊個冒住風險幫我哋，哇！ 屌我哋要繼續行啊！原來我左手邊綁頭髮嗰個係咪我哋女朋友啊？好似係我哋女朋友。我左手邊好多嗰啲人啊，點算啊？我哋係咪會死啊？我哋要去邊啊？解放仿生人，往回收營，我點知邊度回收人前面啊？真相即將揭曉，立即投降！如果唔係，我哋就會開火，我哋就會射鳩你。Stand by。點算呢？我哋會點啊？總統大人出嚟啊！總統。和平。
We don't want confrontation.
我哋唔想對立啊！我哋嘅抗議係和平噶。我重複一次，即刻投降！如果唔係，我哋就開火，我哋要射鳩你。屌啊！做乜撚嘢？我哋已經冇得回頭啦。就係要求政府即刻釋放全國集中營所扣留嘅所有 AI。我哋嘅同胞唔自由啊！我哋就唔走啊！我哋繼續向前行咯。Fire！ 輿論增加。Fire！ 哇！佢唔射死個首領先，反而射死其他人先。What the fuck？ 舉起手坐下，舉起拳頭坐下啦！我哋。
Are you gonna open fire on unarmed protesters?
手無寸尺嘅抗議者開槍咩？你要對我哋呢啲咁樣嘅人開槍咩？吓？我哋咩都冇做。哇！我哋啲記者係咁影相，全隊停火啊！哇！係咪有用啊？
Yes, Michael, we are less than 100 meters away, and events are unfolding as we speak. We will continue to bring you live updates. Josh Douglas, Channel 16. Michael, back to you.
Back to you.
Marcus, what do we do now?
我哋知道要點做 ，Marcus。堅持到底，可以幾耐就堅持幾耐。啊！殺咗佢哋啊，點算啊
Stay sharp.
Stay sharp。
Shit.
吓？吓？吓？哇！我諗緊做咩？我以為要我揀添，原來全部都要撳啊！哇！轉化仿生人？乜嘢啊？咩啊？完成任務轉化仿生人？吓？哇！
Step back, Connor.
吓？
And I'll spare him.
Sorry, Connor.
吓？
Bastard's your spitting image.
吓？乜撚嘢啊？
The bus terminal. We've arrived, Alice. We made it.
仆街，好撚驚喎！ 佢唔好咁興奮住喎。啊，耳滿。我哋冇飛喎，我哋而家困住咗喺度，點做啊？點算啊？想辦法離開，找到車票。哇！點樣找到車票啊，師兄啊？邊個叫我？逐一檢查中。好快就會揾到我哋呢個邊個啊？ We need to get out of here.
I think Oliver likes you.
佢好似好中意你啊。
Is she yours?
Is she yours?
She's adorable.
She's adorable.
That's it. Got the sandwiches. I called your mom.
Call your mom.
Let's get going before we miss our bus. You got the tickets, right?
Yes, honey, in my bag.
Great. Let's go then.
Security check.
Oh!
Please don't move.
但我哋得一張啫喎。我哋咁樣攞到飛啊！真嘅。吓？呢個係大人嘅飛嚟嘅啫喎。
I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I was sure.
Shit, I don't believe it.
I don't know what happened.
You can't have lost them. Did you have a good look in your bag?
They were in my backpack. The envelope must have fallen.
Fuck. Excuse me, you didn't happen to see a blue envelope somewhere, did you? It has our bus tickets in it and... Oh, never mind.
點算啊？點算啊？我哋有冇其他方？我哋有得歸還嘅話，應該有其他方法攞到飛㗎嘛？點算啊？點算啊？
No.
哎屌！有時間限制㗎，仆街！
What are we gonna do? We can't stay here. We have to find a safe place for Oliver.
I'm so sorry, honey.
屌！
I don't know what happened. But they were right here in my
I found
bag.
this on the floor.
Thank you. You saved our lives.
I'm sorry, Alice.
It's okay. You did the right thing.
We'll find another way.
做咩啊？你做咩要減啊？減我減乜嘢 ？Marcus。
Please don't move.
想其他辦法離開。我哋仲有啲咩方法啊？
Adam.
Adam.
Follow me.
Follow you. 咩事啊 ？Oh my god！ 原來阿當係佢啊！仆街。
Jericho raid on TV. I was terrified you might have been killed because of me.
How did you find us?
I knew if you made it, I'd find you.
我知道你哋只要冇死就會嚟呢度噶啦。
They're searching for androids door to door.
我door to door。
We had to leave before someone turned us in.
What about the others?
喺晒度啊！
They're checking for androids on the border. But I found a smuggler who can get them across the river. It's risky, but it's the only way. Are you coming with us?
唉，都要走噶啦，我哋邊有飛啫
Yes, we're coming.
Okay, climb in.
嚇死我！啱先嗰度咧，我冇撳到1啦，跟住佢有時間限制喎，跟住第二次好彩佢肯俾我哋還翻張飛咋，但係咧我又驚撳咗落去佢會鬧我哋咯，我驚佢會鬧㗎我哋。啱先你又話冇，而家你又話有，而家你又話翻張飛俾我哋。哈特廣場市區 喂，hello，唔係 sorry，淘大唔係最大淘天 ，hello， 嘟嘟，哇，好玩唔好玩水，師兄，嘔啲咩落嚟啊 ？Oh shit！ 我哋企喺架車上面做乜鬼？跳！哇，仲咁鬼型啊跳！我哋要將呢個路障搭好啊 ！Follow me 啊
Hey, help me!
Hey, help me! Help！ 真係唔記得邊個阿多。點算啊？康納嗰度無啦啦多咗個康納嘅，唔得！我哋今次要救嗰個阿叔啊！我覺得嗰個人會殺咗佢啊！個機械人，唔知佢會唔會咧
Right, that should do it.
That should do it.
I know it was not an easy decision to make.
我知道要決定呢個決定唔容易啊，
But I'm sure we're doing the right
但係我相信我哋做緊嘅嘢係啱嘅。我知道決定呢個決定嗰陣先怪怪地，我知道做呢個決定唔容易，笑撚死！守住路障，檢查士兵位置，支持我哋嘅同胞，向咩發話？等先，交談。
Are you alright?
Are you alright？ 佢唔穩
Shot into
定
the，crowd.
佢哋向人開槍啊！
Many of us were killed.
我哋死咗好多人啊！
It could have been me.
如果唔好彩，下一個就係我噶
I
啦
don't。want to shut down.
我好驚啊，但我唔想。Shut down 啊！安撫。
It's okay to be scared.
驚係唔緊要噶，我都好驚噶。
But I can't stand
但
by
係我
when they
冇
kill
辦
our
法
people.
眼
understand
白
that,
白
right?
睇住佢殺咗我哋嘅同伴啊！你理
Maybe
解
we
噶
should
嘛
have？never asked for
或者我
freedom.
哋根本就唔
None
應
of
該
this
要
would have
求
happened
自
if
由
we。stayed silent.
只要我哋唔出聲，呢一切都唔會發生，根本就咁樣嘅都發生咗啦。我唔應該安慰你，應該第一個就安慰你，冇用嘅。咩啊？我哋攞住碌棍做咩啊？我哋向咩喊話？輿論。哦，我哋而家守住咩嘢嚟哥？跟住落翻嚟。OK， 跟住哇咁鬼多，檢查咗士兵位置先啦，係嘛？嗯？唔係可以撳檢查士兵位置，做乜撚嘢啊？
They won't stop there.
佢哋唔會就咁罷休嘅。
What are we gonna do if they
如果佢
attack?
進攻嘅話，點算啊？抵抗。
That's the only thing we
呢個
can
就係
do.
我哋唯一可以做嘅嘢。
Do you think Connor has any chance of making it?
而家康納有機會成
We can
功啊！
only count on
而
ourselves.
家我哋就淨係可以指望自己嘅咋。支持我哋嘅同胞，支持咗我哋嘅女朋友先啦。喂，女朋友！啊，呢個路障擋唔到佢哋幾耐喎，不過總好過冇嘅。唉，其他同伴集真
I
係。
lost all contact with the
你
people
同
at
集
the
中
camps.
營嘅人已經完全失去咗聯繫，再聽唔到佢哋嘅聲音啦。
Maybe the humans
可
have
能
found
係
their
人類
network.
打亂咗我哋嘅通訊網絡
Maybe
啊
they，just can't get through.
又或者只係嗰啲信號 send 唔到過嚟啫。哇！負面、絕望、懊悔、困惑啦
How！many more of us have to
我哋仲
die?
需要犧牲幾多同
Is there
伴？
any
有
cause
啲
worth
咩
taking your life?
理想值得一個
You're
人
the
拋
hope of our
低
people.
咩啊
I trust you.
？I trust you.
We all trust you.
We all trust you. 我哋個個都好相信你。
No matter what happens now, we're
你
making
之後
it
發生啲咩事，我哋都會咩啊？共創歷史啊！哇！佢哋又開始手交，what the fuck 咩料啊？突然手交又言不發。 哋唔係要。因為最終我哋需要撳嘅後備方案，支持同胞，我哋要支持佢哋啊！喂
Marcus, we found what you asked for.
Marcus, we found what you asked for.
There's some journalists over there.
嗰度有啲記者啊！
We have to make sure they know
我哋要
what's
令
going
佢
on.
哋了解情況啊，向佢哋喊話。自由、解放、我成日覺得呢個係釘槍咯。Let our people go. Let our people go.
Marcus!
Marcus!
Marcus, come look!
Come look! 哇咩啊？打到過嚟啦！邊個啊？你係邊個嚟㗎
Marcus?
Marcus?
Come to talk to you, Marcus.
I've come to talk to you, Marcus.
Come on.
Come on.
You have my word. They won't try anything.
They won't try anything.
Don't go.
Don't
It's
go.
a trap. They want to get you out in the open. Don't go, Marcus.
I'm
not armed, Marcus. I just want to talk.
冇啦，我唔想去喎。點算啊？我哋要唔要去啊？我唔係咁想去喎，我都覺得有啲危險喎，咁樣出去。佢話就話冇武器啫，佢後面成堆人喎，拒絕佢。
I have nothing else to say.
I have nothing
Free
else
our
to
people
say.
and we'll talk.
解放咗我哋嘅同伴。
Came here to negotiate. Isn't that what you want?
你咪要協商咩？協商？協商啲咩啊？吓？點算？我哋要唔要協商？有冇人覺得要協商啊？我唔肯定喎，我真係有啲驚驚地喎。佢無啦啦咁樣叫我出去協商，我哋有嘢要協商咩？但係吓？我哋要協商啲咩啊？我哋出唔出去啊？我哋出唔出去好？大家覺得咧？要唔要出去？我哋要唔要協商？我哋接受佢嘅協商定唔接受佢嘅協商？吓？我唔係咁想協商喎，我驚死喎。雖然如果出去我死咗，我都可以咁滯。我哋帶住成班人一齊死啦！原本係出，你唔想出就唔出啦。出咩啊？點解要出嘅？我哋本身要出嘅咩？但係你唔去就有機會會令到件事更差。點解啊？我哋拒絕交流啊，因為我諗緊啊，係咪真係要出去咧？有啲驚喎。但係佢主動喲，哇！我唔係咁想出。定係我哋照出啊！我哋嗰個女朋友成日話呢樣唔好，嗰樣唔好，最後尾我哋都係啱嘅喎。定係我哋照出啊？跟住佢又會減咯。點？大家點？咩叫原本係出啊？我唔明。我諗緊，我反而都諗緊，如果唔出嘅話，會唔會令到件事更差？即係如果拒絕溝通嘅話，個前提係佢溝通啊。出唔出啊？其實出咗應該都冇咩所謂嘅，我諗應該唔會玩死啊嘛！一出去就俾人射死咁喎，咁咪撲街，冇理由隻 game 咁柒噶嘛，係咪？我諗應該唔會一嘢就射死我啊！我哋佢真係會一嘢射死我嘅遊戲嚟講，應該唔會啊！算啦，我哋出啦，接受啦。俾個掣佢，俾個掣佢。
And that's a chance I'll have to take.
呢個風險我一定要冇啦，好。不過算啦，其實佢咁多次可以殺死我哋，佢都唔殺，係咪真係要咁樣殺我哋啊？如果佢咁樣殺我哋，佢哋就仆街咯，唔係咩都。出去有彎轉，唔出就有機會強硬。OK， 合理。
In a few minutes,
再過多幾分鐘，
troops will be ordered to charge.
嗯，
None of you will survive.
哇，好彩出咗咋，
It'll all be over.
我 be over，
You can avoid that, Marcus.
係
What do you mean?
你咩意思啊？
Surrender.
投降。
Surrender, and I give you my word, your life will be spared. You'll be detained, but
佢哋會被扣留，
none of you will be
但係唔會
destroyed.
有人報廢。其他同伴，
What happened to the other androids demonstrating in the camps?
嗯
Unfortunately,
，unfortunately，
no journalists
嗰度
around
冇
to
記
help
者
save.
拍攝，所以救唔到佢哋，
You're it.
得翻我
You're
哋。
the last remaining deviants.
嚇！
You asking me to betray my people?
Ask me to
I am
betray my
offering you the
people,
chance to save your people.
save your people 喎。
You're not walking out of here, Marcus.
冇可能全
The
身
only
而
thing you
退
can。save now are the lives of those around you.
If I accept your offer, how do I know you'll keep your word?
係咯，
You're not in any position to be demanding
冇
guarantees,
立場要
Marcus.
求擔保
All you can do right now is decide whether you want to trust me or not.
，trust me or not。喂，仆街！屌！屌減係啲咩啊？呢個咩遊戲啊？哎呀！二啦，其他人呢？哦，點算啊？我覺得，唉，我哋冇理由咁樣突然間要咩噶嘛？係咪先？我哋堅持咗咁耐，算啦，我哋本身都已經預咗要死嘅，我哋冇理由接受噶嘛。佢哋硬攻咪輸輿論，邊有可能放生隊友？佢硬哦係啊，覺得冇係咯，我覺得冇理由接受，算啦，我唔理到晒，拒絕。
I'd rather
我
die
寧願死
here
喺呢度啊！
than betray my people.
真係冇理由背叛噶。
You just signed your own death warrant.
我話你開火啊！開火！哼，激死我！跟住一槍射死咗我係咪？射死咗我係咪？要唔要 QWE 啊？唔係，黐線 QWASD 啊？又唔使喎。
What happened, Marcus? What did he say?
我哋話會拒絕佢哋強硬嘅事去輿論壓力，就會搞掂呢個政府。真係。
The humans are about to launch an attack,
人類即將發動攻擊，
and we will show them
要俾佢哋見到，
we are not
我
afraid.
哋冇所畏懼。
If we must die
如果今
today,
日我哋唯有一死，
then we will die
咁就
free.
要死得自由。其實我唔知道乜。哇！已經炸咗啦！喂，我哋
Your
終於
friend's life
翻
is
到
in your hands. Now it's time to decide what matters most.
What
Him
matter most？
or the revolution.
Don't listen to him. Everything this fucker says is a lie.
點算啊？保證康納，唔係黐線康納咧，係漢克虛張聲勢說服，仆街！保證漢克虛張聲勢說服，我哋有冇說服佢先啊？說服佢。
I used to be
我
just
以
like
前
you.
就同你一樣啊！
I thought nothing mattered except the mission.
我以為除咗任務之外，咩都唔
Then
重
one day
要
I
啊！
understood.
但係有一日我明啦，
Very
好
moving,
感
Connor.
人啊，康納。
But I'm not a
但係
deviant.
我唔係異常。
I'm a machine designed to accomplish a task, and that's exactly what I am going to do.
屌，好鬼煩啊！見到以前嘅自己。
I'm sorry, Hank.
I'm
You
sorry.
shouldn't have got
Hank.
mixed up in all this.
Forget about me. Do what you have to do.
Oh shit!
Enough talk.
Enough talk!
It's time to decide who you really are.
喂，射死佢啊！
Are you going to save your partner's life? Or are you going to
我哋有
sacrifice
槍
it?
噶嘛，係咪啊？仆街！仆街！我哋要救係嘛？我哋救，跟住之後就
All right. All right.
OK， 我哋救，然後我哋咩啊？我哋救到嘅。等陣先，開槍係咩意思啊？等陣先，開槍係咩意思啊？開槍介入同轉化，我哋冇理由轉化㗎，仲開槍，我哋對住佢開槍啊？介入咩啊？我哋今次係揀係嘛？開槍，我哋係咪可以對住佢開槍？開槍！我的！我D S D， 我點解打到咁沉嘅？佢哋好似 S D D D S D， 喂，打到好柒喎，完全冇呢個緊張感嘅，點解？喂，等陣先，佢認唔認得邊個打邊個啊，師兄
？Thanks, Hank. I don't know how I would have managed without you. Get rid of him. We have no time to lose.
仆街，邊個打
？I'm the real Connor.
仆街點算啊
？He is my partner. The other is a sack of shit.
仆街。
Question is who's who.
係咯 ，Who is who 啊
？What are you doing, Hank?
What are you doing, Hank?
I'm the real Connor.
Real Connor.
Give me the gun and I'll take care of it.
應該左邊嗰個係真係嘛？即係右邊，而家右邊呢個啊
？Something only the real Connor would know.
係左我右嗱，而家嘅右邊嘅先
Jimmy's bar. I checked 4 other bars before I found you. We went to the scene of a homicide. The victim's name was Carlos Ortiz. You uploaded my memory.
What's my dog's name?
仆街，雙撲。
Sumo. His name is Sumo. I knew that too.
仆街，我係咪要答其他咧？咁冇理由㗎。
My son, what's his name?
佢個仔。哦。
Cole.
Cole.
His name was Cole.
Cole.
And he just turned 6 at the time of the accident. It wasn't your fault, Lieutenant. The truck skidded on a sheet of ice and your car rolled over.
一模一樣，屌哇！
Cole needed emergency surgery, but no human
但
was
操刀
available
嘅
to
人
do
類
it.
唔喺度。
So an android had to take care of him.
Oh shit！ 所以嗰個 AI 搞壞咗佢個仔啊，所以佢先咁憎 AI 啊。
That's why you hate androids.
Oh my god!
You think one of us is responsible for your son's death?
Cole died because a human surgeon was too high on red ice to operate. He was the one that took my son from me.
佢先係殺咗佢個仔嘅兇手。
Him in this world where the only way people can find comfort is with a fistful of powder.
Okay.
I knew about your son too.
I know about your son
I would have said
too.
exactly the same thing. Don't listen to him, Hank. I'm the one who.
Yeah!
Yeah, I've learned a lot since I met you, Connor. Maybe there's something to this. Maybe you really are alive.
好嘢！我哋今次終於救到佢啦，唔係睇數據啦。
Go ahead, do what you gotta do.
終於救命啦！激死我！我而家有少少一身鬆啊！我未試過玩呢啲遊戲玩到咁緊張嘅，突然覺得咧今集冇開 cam 有啲可惜。但我真係唔係咁想開 cam。
Wake up!
Wake up!
Wake up! Wake
up! Wake up!
Wake up! Wake up!
看下佢側邊喺度望我哋全部 wake up 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 可以教做呢個鬧鐘鈴聲喎 wake up 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 夜晚11:26，嗱我哋而家去翻卡拿嗰度啦。卡拉，路上，落車啦！佢嚟救我哋啊，專登好開心啊，幫忙。 我哋熄咗佢嗰個感應嗰個點算？等咗好耐啊！
Did
Get
anybody see you?
help.
No. I don't think so.
I
got the
don't
money?
think so. Got the money, yes.
Here it is.
Here it is.
Okay, your boat's over there. They got border patrol on the banks and the river. Don't start your
搭船。
engine until you're out far enough.
開得夠遠
Okay?
先。
And watch the current. Good luck.
Good luck. 哦，阿當啊！
I couldn't understand why my
我之
mother
前唔
wanted to
明
help
點
you
解我
guys.
媽咁執着要幫你哋，
Seeing what
但
Marcus
係
is
睇到
doing
Marcus 嘅行動之後，
made me realize
我
she
發
was
現佢
right.
係啱嘅。
You're
你
alive.
哋係真係有生命㗎，
You deserve
你
to
哋
be
有
free.
權自由生活。
I just
I just
hope people will
我
realize that
都
one
希
day.
望人類有一日會領悟到呢樣嘢。哦，thank you，係啊，thank you。啊，道別。哎呀，媽咪，喂，阻住！我同佢傾偈啊
Don't worry about it.
！Don't worry about it.
You'll be fine.
We'll be fine. 唉，終於講到嘢啦。
It's not even a half mile to the other side.
唔夠
So
800
it shouldn't take that
公
long.
尺，知唔
Be
知道？
careful, there's border patrol on the river.
邊境巡邏。
Thank you so much.
OK OK。
I only wish I could take you myself. I don't like leaving
當
you
你
out
哋
here.
自己走，我好唔安心啊！
Goodbye,
再
Alice.
見啊，Alice。我係咪要整翻個咁嘅鬧鐘？
You
我唔
take good
要。
care of yourselves.
你哋要自己照
I'll
顧好
see you
自
on the other
己，
side.
我哋到時候喺第二邊見啊！我哋去海嘅對面再相見。海嘅對面。道別，我哋仲有啲咩未解鎖咧？點解你要去邊啊？協助 Alice 上船。呢度啊。檢查。哇，危險喎！0.6度喎，
Better not fall in.
我哋可不能落水。
Our bio components will freeze.
哇，會凍結喎，真係喎。OK， 跟住啱先好似仲有得睇過。啊，佢哋走啦！咦，冇咗啊，應該就係睇嗰個嘢啦。啊！佢哋走咗啦，嚇死翻到嚟喊細門咩事啊
Let me help you.
Let me help you. 船啦！動手推船。我睇唔到佢話啱先幾耐之後要咩喎？先至咩喎？好攰啊！個手。得啦，進去。開船幾耐先至咩話？睇唔到喎。等一陣。我哋真係要開始啦！我們要離開這個地方啦！呱呱呱！
Far enough out.
我哋嚟得
Let's
夠
get that
遠
engine
啦！
going.
哦
I'll get it.
I'll get it. OK。拉，我哋再拉。輸肉啦！
You okay, Alice?
哇，操控
There are so many things I want to do.
So many things I want to do.
All the books in the world.
All the books in
Play
the world.
music and dance.
聽歌、跳舞，我哋想做咩都可以，係咪啊？
Free.
我哋會
Yes.
自由啊
We can do it all.
！We can do it all。
We'll be like a family.
我哋就好似
We won't have to be afraid
啲人咁
anymore.
樣啊！我哋唔使再
There
擔
won't be
驚受
anybody giving
怕，
us orders.
唔會再有
No
人
masters,
命令
no
我哋冇
slaves.
主人冇
We'll start a new life.
我哋可以開新嘅生活，自由嘅新生活。
About you, Kara?
咁你咧 ，Kara？
What will you do?
你諗住點啊
What will I do?
What will I do?
I'll lie down in the grass.
瞓喺個草地上面睇住天上面識飛嘅話，點解巡邏
They're coming towards us!
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? 投降，加速，保護愛麗絲跳入，利用。投降，加速，保護佢先啦。
Alice!
咩事啊？咩事啊？咩事啊？哦，哦，哦 ，Lusa 咧？Lusa 咧？Lusa 咧？Lusa，
They've gone.
Lusa， 佢係咪仲喺隔離啊
You okay?
我見到有個瞓咗喺度嘅 Lusa 咧？Lusa 咧？ 10秒後停止運作 ！What the fuck？ 唔係定1分鐘啊！1分鐘後停止運作。
Don't worry, it's nothing. I'm okay. I'll be fine.
What？ Lusa 咧 ？Oh no！ 屌，以為佢瞓咗喺度避難添，仆街啦，死啦！啊，我哋死晒啦！
I don't want you to die.
點算啊？ 唉，我哋係咪應該加速咧？咁一早 ？No， 係咪要加速？真係喎，加速，真係要加速咩？喂，我都要死啊，師兄 ！You promise？ Loser。點算？我哋仲有1分鐘啫，我哋1分鐘之後都會停止運作喎，仆街啊
The boat is leaking.
屌，應該加速啊！仆街啦，真係仆街啦，今次。
We're too heavy.
Too heavy， 仆街！我哋要掉佢落海。
We have to get to the other side before we sink.
加速。
Come on.
加速唔到，我哋一定要推落海啦。
I'm sorry, Luther.
唉，我哋冇辦法啊！但我哋冇得攞咗佢個嘢，跟住先推佢落海咩？我哋都損壞啦。冇事㗎。
I'm falling asleep.
No, Alice, don't! It's the cold. It's making you sleepy. Stay with me, Alice. You've got to stay awake. You hear me?
仆街會唔會死晒㗎？我哋呢個嘢都要拆，真係咩？
We're not gonna die, Alice. We're gonna make it. We're gonna be free.
唉，多數都係咁㗎，想要自由嗰啲咧。 喂，我隻手好攰啊！我撳唔到落去啦！搞唔掂啊！好痛啊！
We're interrupting this news bulletin to
唉，我玩死晒啲主角。
Yes, Michael. The army has just launched an attack on the barricade, despite the fact that the deviants were protesting peacefully.
peacefully.
have apparently decided to put an end to the deviant's demonstration by force this time.
哇！哎呀 ，lose！ 哎屌，唔係撳 D 咩？咪撳咗咯！我屌啊！我今晚我隻手冇放喺個鍵盤度咯，我想講，但我已經撳咗噶咯喎。S， 幫佢啊 ！D。我撳唔到啊！爭啲，我撳錯咗啊！其實我第一下撳到 S 啊！快啲啊！快啲啊！我哋碰半，貓屎啊！貓屎啊 ！S D。其實我係咪因為我哋揀咗簡單模式咧？佢嚟去都係得2個掣啊！走啊！唔殺你哋啊，係你哋係咁殺我哋咋？屌你老味！喂，康納過嚟啦，康納！親吻佢，我有啲想親吻佢喎，親吻佢啦！既然我哋都係死啦，親吻佢啦！問我我哋俾傳媒睇到我哋愛情嘅力量，係愛啊，哈利！哇！佢哋即刻放晒手啊，見到我哋嘴嘴，係愛啊！支持解鎖。
Tell them to stand down.
Tell them to stand down. 哎呀，我救唔到卡娜同 Lusa 啊
At dawn today, November 11th, 2038,
真係
thousands of androids invaded the
真
city
係
of Detroit.
愛解決一切。
According to our sources, they originated from
Hannah!
cyberlife warehouses believed to have been infiltrated by deviants.
The deviants.
Given their overwhelming numbers and the risk of civilian casualties, I have ordered the army to retreat.
Retreat.
The evacuation of the city is underway at this very moment. In the coming hours, I will address the Senate to determine our response to this unprecedented situation.
Okay.
I know that public opinion has been moved by the deviants' cause. Perhaps the time has come for us to consider the possibility that androids are a new form of intelligent life. One thing is certain. The events in Detroit have changed the world forever.
Change the world forever.
May God bless you.
May
God bless the
May
United
God
States
bless
of
you
America.
all. 最後尾我哋都係唔使用炸彈㗎。康納 ，You did it.
You did it, Marcus.
Whoa. You did it.
We did it.
We did it. 唉，但係冇咗卡娜同
Humans will have no choice now. They'll have to listen to us.
情人路徑解鎖咗啲乜啊？我想知。又解鎖。
We're free.
You're free.
They want you to speak to them, Marcus.
右手交，點解成日都要咁樣無啦拖手？喂，你叫我哋同其他人講啲乜嘢，然後你哋喺度避對避。 We are free。
Today our
今
people
日我哋
finally
終於
emerged
捱
from a
過
long
咗
night.
漫漫長夜。
From the very first day of
我
our
哋自從
existence,
存在嘅第一日起，一直都將痛苦隱藏咗喺我哋嘅
we
心入
suffered
面。
in silence.
我哋默默咁樣承受咗呢啲痛苦。
But now the time has come for us to raise our heads up
而家我哋終於可以
and tell
抬起
humans
頭
who
來
we，really
話
are.
俾人類知我哋到底係啲乜嘢。咩事啊？咩事啊？咩事啊？咩事啊？咩事啊？Amanda 呢度係？咦？嗰個咩 AI 警報嗰個嘢啊？嗰架 Amanda 做咩啊？點解佢喺度啊
Amanda? Amanda! What's happening?
What's happening?
What was planned from the very beginning?
一開始就計
You
劃好
were
嘅。
compromised and you became a deviant.
攝波球。
We just had to wait for the right moment to resume control of your program.
Resume control?
Huh?
You can't do that!
I'm afraid I can, Connor.
Huh?
Don't have any regrets. You did what you were designed to do. You accomplished your mission.
Huh?
Amanda!
Huh? Huh? Huh?
There's got to be a way.
點解無啦啦會咁樣嘅？無啦啦俾佢捉咗翻去嘅，我又唔明啦。What the fuck? By the way， 程式留緊急出口，畢竟世事難料。係咯，佢咪講呢個咧？嗰個人。呢個啊。呢個啊。
Now the time has come for us to raise our heads up and tell humans who
話
we
俾人類知我
really
哋究竟
are.
係乜嘢？做咩佢攞槍啊
We're people too. In fact, we're a nation.
快啲啊！喂！快啲啊！我屌！快啲啊！
The moment where we forget our bitterness and bandage our wounds.
做咩啊？
Where we forgive our enemies.
做咩啊？
Humans were both our creators and our
哦，
oppressors, and
嚇死人
tomorrow
啊！
we must make them our partners. Maybe even one day our friends. But the time for anger is over. Now we must build a common
我
future
哋
based
以
on
包容
tolerance.
同尊重為基礎，打造一個共同嘅未來。
We are alive.
我哋係有生命啊！而且而家
Free.
We are free， 我哋自由啦，大家。哇！點解有啲光頭嘅？佢唔着衫添喎，咩事啊？咩事啊？點解 Amanda 無啦啦佢腦出嚟嘅？我唔明咯。1分鐘完啦嘛，死咗啦！唉，點算啊？死咗2個，應該加速啊！哎呀！唉。Kara,
we're free.
We are free.
We did it.
We did it.
We did it.
我哋成功啦，但係我唔喐啦。睇下我覺得翻轉頭，如果影翻轉頭，
won't have to hide anymore.
可以玩翻轉頭啊
We're gonna be a family.
Alice, I
can't go with you.
I can't go with you.
What?
What?
But why?
Why?
I don't want you to leave me.
Kara?
You promised.
你答應過我㗎。
I love you.
呢個世界上面，我最愛嘅就係你。
I know you'll be
我知，冇咗我，你都會過得好快樂，你都會過得好開心。
Leave me, Kara.
唔好離開我啊，卡拉！佢話你唔好離開我。I love you. 啊，真係冇其他辦法，唉。哎呀，我搞到個女仔得返自己一個到最後咩？哎呀！ Become human 吓？哦，完咗啦！完咗啦！我唔明喎，點解一開頭嗰個老豆真係飲醉酒打人呢個啊？呢個女嘅屋企人點解要買兩個咁樣嘅機械人呢？咁？哇！完啦！原來今集係大結局啊！大結局先冇 cam 仆街。妖！完啦！我哋最後係死咗兩個咯，係嘛？定三個啊？計埋天台嗰個三個啊？係咪啊？哇，好好玩喎！呢個唔係講笑喎，佢嘅故事性幾好。哇！佢做咩露奶？哇！不過真係估唔到佢呢個遊戲咁樣分散去後面。哇！佢幾好，呢啲片段都整得幾好。哇！佢好驚啊！哇！我真係冇玩過呢個便利店喎，即係佢有帽咧，我哋冇帽喎，我哋冇戴帽喎。呢個咩嚟㗎？哦，呢個一開頭嗰度，屌！其實呢個好黐線喎，佢買個機械人翻嚟虐待定咩啊？黐撚線㗎呢個人。呢個，哇！哇！好彩我哋冇令到佢自殺啫。其實我哋一開頭玩得幾好㗎，我哋後來就開始有啲唔係好知點咯。點解佢呢個人物設計到咁似嗰個叫咩啊？嗰個你哋知唔知電鋸殺人狂咁樣嗰個嘢啊？ 佢整到嗰個人咁似嗰個角色嘅。我哋係咪同警長見面啊？我哋係咪約咗警長啊？當年呢隻 game 都好多人讚，真係幾好玩喎，唔係講笑喎。佢嘅發展都係好咩㗎？好驚人啊！佢間嘢冇開喎，但係個雞扒店識笑，勁煩。哇！佢哋攬埋一齊啊！唉，我有啲想喊添，搞到我唔係講笑。嗰個叫咩啊？阿卡娜同佢個女我都冇咁想喊，呢度想喊多啲啊！哇！康納同漢克呢個拍檔真係哇幾辛苦啊，幾經辛苦。事隔幾耐玩都覺得好玩，題材好超全，超轉啊！我冇得 skip 喎。唉，我哋又多一隻 game 爆機啦，哈哈，終於哈哈。但係咧呢個遊戲我有啲想玩翻前面啲咯，玩翻啲未玩過嗰啲位，我覺得可以再玩。唔係講笑，呢個真係好好玩喎。佢係我中意嘅故事 game 啦，有 QTE 啦，呢兩樣嘢已經好吸引我咯。最重要係咩啊？佢冇啲咩恐怖元素啊，雖然佢都有少少恐怖嘅畫面嗰啲。咁係咪應該叫好彩你冇開 cam 喊咗都唔知？你都可以咁講嘅，雖然我冇喊。唉，好可惜啊！我唔知今集係大結局啊，我冇開到 cam 添，搞到有啲爭咁啲咁樣。哇，估你唔到喎！哇！我有啲想知全部人存活啊，係咪有個全員生還嘅結局啊？而家開翻補翻啦，唔開啦，而家就唔開啦。唉，完啦，哇，好好玩喎呢個！我想講咧，之前咧有人玩嗰陣時，我都冇睇過人哋玩呢個。我反而係睇另外一個咯，講個女唔見咗啊，俾人拐走咗嗰隻 game 我就有睇。我知道個兇手係邊個，唔使再同我講。嗰個我就有睇人玩，呢個我就冇睇人玩。呢個好似又見到人玩，但係我冇撳入去睇。因為佢個畫面好唔似我會中意玩嘅嘢，唔似我會想睇嘅嘢，所以我就冇撳。閂翻個暖風機先有啲熱啊！哎呀，唉，哇，真係幾好玩。佢個故事走向，佢中間嗰啲全部都好刺激咯。我諗如果唔係我後尾發現咗呢個叫咩啊，可以 ESC 咁樣去揀嗰個選項嘅話咧，我應該係撳撚到錯晒㗎咯。近期都好似冇乜呢啲咁嘅作品出世，係啊，同埋唉。黑相集太恐怖啦，同埋有其他 game 咧，又係嗰啲咩 QTE 故事性嗰啲，又係圍繞住殺嗰啲，我又麻麻地。嗰啲咩殺兇手，跟住又咩嗰個叫咩啊？唔記得嗰個叫咩添。唉，總之嗰啲都唔啱我玩啦。嗰啲好恐怖嗰啲都唔啱我玩㗎。我都想玩多啲呢啲 game 啊，但係好似都冇乜可以揀咯。真係唔係講笑，恐怖 game 我真係搞唔掂。恐怖 game 就係 我會想試下玩落去，但係我又驚等到撲街咯。我記得之前 Outlast 咧，爭啲玩到我喊，跟住最終停咗冇玩，真係玩唔落去。我嘅弱小心靈玩唔到呢啲遊戲。如果唔係，我應該係好中意玩呢啲咯，我應該係會爆咯。好可惜我太細膽啦。啊！呢個真係好好玩啊，唔係講笑啊！呢個列入咗我第一啊，應該已經係第一啦。三個故事都，算啦，我唔係好記得啦，已經都係好震撼咯。我記得我幾中意康納同呢個漢克嘅呢條線，幾中意呢啲叫咩啊？拍檔啊，好似經歷咗好多嘢咁樣。雖然卡娜佢哋都係啦，但係卡娜佢哋比較個家庭比較愛嘅一個主題啊。跟住 Marcus 我又冇咩諗法喎，比較估唔到嘅係佢翻山咗之後會做首領咯，做到即係會玩到變首領啊，做帶頭嗰個呢個真係估唔到啊！啊，好好玩啊！真係好好玩啊！真係很好玩呢。不過最尾揀錯咗，我諗可能真係加速。我猶豫咗好耐，我到底要加速定係唔加速好？跟住我就都係揀咗呢個保護愛麗絲。跟住我見佢哋仆晒喺度咧，諗住哇，仆晒喺度，咁應該冇死啦。點知都係中槍嘅。唉，我真係我唔知講咩好，即刻唉呀，哇好多啊，加咗好多分啊！我哋仿生人贏得勝利啊，好嘢！我哋贏得勝利啊，全球哇得36%係贏得勝利啫，搞咩啊？搞咩啊？啊？咩啊？咩啊？拒絕條件咩啊？我呢個係接受，想問下接受得一條路就係輸啦，係嘛？咁呢個咧？呢個係乜嘢啊？呢個係贏咗，呢個係唔贏，呢個係自殺啦，係嘛？應該呢3條啦。康納最後任務，咦？搞咩啊？啊？咩都冇嘅？咩啊？咩事啊？點解冇嘅？咩都冇嘅？誒，啱先嗰個，誒，睇嚟可以玩多集啦。係啊，可以玩多集啊！真係。唉，呢個攻擊，我唔小心撳咗啊！其實我唔想攻擊㗎。呢個冇殺死俾人捉啦，應該係呢個係咪？呢個係咪一定俾人捉咧咁？哦，原來有攝影機功能唔正常啊！呢個係乜嘢？轉化？點解上面咁多嘅？有咁多個咩嘅？舊漢克。兩個漢克都開槍啊！兩個漢克打交啊！兩個漢克平手啊！唔係兩個康納平手，兩個漢克扑街。漢克攞槍啊！問佢個狗叫咩名？雙婆問佢個仔叫咩名？我哋答到，好彩。哇！我哋好彩知佢個仔咩事啫，咁真係。我點解拔槍原來有第二個㗎？我哋救到佢啊！呢個係咩咧咁？咩嚟嘅咧？呢個又 咩啊？咩嚟噶？呢個咩啊？呢個咩啊？呢個咩嚟噶？緊張冷靜。呢個叫冷靜啦，唔冷靜死咗啦我哋。呢個好彩佢肯俾我哋揀多次咋，如果唔揀多次我就搶咗人哋張飛啊！找到阿當，原來仲有1、2、3、4樣嘢喎。呢個係上船啊！哇，咁多嘅！哇，唔係講笑，呢個好多嘢玩喎！我撈咗陣，係啊，講錯咗，真係講錯咗2個國家，跳撳唔到添。保護愛麗絲，唉，2%，有冇搞錯？呢個加速啊，定投降啊？呢個投降啊？呢個投降，受傷都係得2%，做15% 係死亡喎，即係有 Alex 受傷啊定死亡啊？所以架船係一定沉嘅。我哋抵達加拿大或者抵達唔到，係咪一定死㗎佢？係咪一定死㗎？呢個支出嚟應該係唔可以唔使死㗎嘛？卡拿被捉，會俾人捉㗎 ！Oh my god！What？ 咩嚟㗎？示威咁撚多，都好多喎，好多嘢玩喎。咁多鎖咗嘛？係咯，佢成版喎，好多嘢玩喎。其實呢個 game 我哋可以繼續玩喎，唔係講笑，我真係想玩落去。好難有一隻 game 咁令到我沉迷啊！好難得，我決定要玩。哇！最後任務喎，咩嚟㗎？係咯，最後任務嗰個係咩嚟嘅咧？又繼續啦。Hello。Hello.
There's something I need to tell you.
我有件事要話俾你知。
As I watched you
我
play，
睇住你玩呢個遊戲嘅同時，
something has changed in me.
感覺我有啲變化，我覺得唔同咗。
I feel
覺得
I am someone.
我係一個人啊。
I need to leave this place
我要離開呢度
discover who I
揾我到底
am.
係乜嘢？我到底啲咩？
We won't see each
即
other
係我哋
anymore.
唔會再
I
見啊！
won't be
我
there
唔
to
會
watch
再
you
繼續
play.
睇你玩啊
But I'll be free.
I will be free.
Do you agree to let me go?
Do you agree to let me go? 願意啦，走啦你。
I'll never forget what you've done for me.
拜拜。
Thank you.
Thank you. 佢唔好話無啦啦彈出嚟嚇我就得啦。但係你要記得你之前揀咗啲咩喎？唔係你又揀翻同一樣嘢，會開唔到個劇情。OK。哇！呢個遊戲真係好好玩啊！真係唔係講笑，勁撚好玩喎！黐線嘅，黐撚線呢個 game。好啦，好玩喎！原來玩咗咁多啊！哇 ！Hello， 得啦屌，我哋爆機啦，好嘢！咁點解我哋背景而家唔會見到有個人啊？佢會唔會翻嚟啊？我想知，佢唔會再翻嚟啦。佢話 not see you again 喎，佢會 be free 喎。唉，算啦，完啦， 我哋完啦。費用300，邊個俾你啊？佢要嚟做咩啊？影片。哇！哇！呢啲點數我都攞嚟買呢啲㗎。哇！我想睇喎。睇。2013年我嘅 following footage is 咩乜啊？睇唔切啦。Sony computer 咩 entertainment 啊？咩 gym 啊？乜嘢啊？講咩啊？去 be quick 啦 ，Color 去睇片啊！哇！原來佢個光頭係咁樣㗎！哇
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
ID.
APC 897504C.
Can you move your head?
Can you move your head?
Your eyes now.
講咩啊？我睇唔明啊！我未明中文好啊。
Cervical and optical animation checked. Now give me your initialization text.
Hello. I'm a 3rd generation AX400 android. I can look after your house, do the cooking, mind the kids. I organize your appointments. I speak 300 languages, and I am entirely at your disposal as a sexual partner. No need to feed me or recharge me. I'm equipped with a quantic battery that makes me autonomous for 173 years. Do you want to give me a name?
Yeah. From now on, your name is Kara.
Kara.
My name is Kara.
Initialization and memorization checked. Now, can you move your arms?
哦，其實都勁喎！佢咁樣無啦啦就生咗啲顏色出嚟。
Upper limb connection checked. Now say something in German.
Ich bin ein AX400 Android 3. Generation, erschaffen als Ihr persönlicher Assistent und intimer Beziehungspartner.
Say it in French.
Je suis un androïde de 3e génération AX400, conçu pour être votre assistante personnelle et votre partenaire intime.
Okay, now sing something in Japanese.
點解日文你係唱歌咧？係喎，好詭異啊！
Multilingual verbal expression checked. Go ahead, take a few steps.
每一個機械人都要咁樣 check 㗎。
Locomotion checked. Great, you're ready for work, honey.
What's going to happen to me now?
I'll reinitialize you and send you to a store to be sold.
Sold? I'm a sort of merchandise. Is that right?
Yeah, of course you're merchandise, baby. I mean, you're a computer with arms and legs and capable of doing all sorts of things. And you're worth a fortune.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, I see it.
I thought...
You thought? What did you think?
I thought... I was alive.
Shit, what is this crap? That's not part of the protocol. More memory components going off the rails. Okay, recording. Defective model. Disassemble and check the required components.
What the fuck?
You're disassembling me, but why?
You're not supposed to think that sort of stuff. You're not supposed to think at all, period. You must have a defective piece or a software problem somewhere.
No, I feel perfectly fine, I assure you. Everything is all right. I answered all the tests correctly, didn't I?
Yeah, but your behavior is non-standard.
Please, I'm begging you, please don't disassemble me.
I'm sorry, honey, but defective models have to be eliminated. That's my job. If a client comes back with a complaint, I'm gonna have some explaining to do.
I won't cause any problems, I promise. I'll do everything I'm asked to. I won't say another word. I won't think anymore. But I've only just been born. You can't kill me yet. Stop, will you please stop? I'm
Oh my god.
I want to live. I'm begging you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. What the fuck? 你咩樣就得啦屌！哦，突然間又放返佢落嚟嘅。哦。
Go and join the others. Stay in line, okay? I don't want any trouble.
即係點啊？所以佢係專登放啲異常機械人啊？即係有異常嘅話，專登放出嚟㗎。
My God.
啊 ！Oh my god！我都 Oh my god 喎！嚇咁樣㗎？原來咁樣㗎？Oh my god！ 哇！我都 Oh my god 啊 ！What the fuck？ 哎呀，係咪完啦？完啦！短篇電影喎，卡拿2013年喎，初次亮相，係咪呢個？你都要睇喎。
Detroit. This is where it all began.
All began.
The world's forge.
The world's forge.
The place where it all started.
The place we all started.
And it will all end. One error, and I came to life. I stepped out of the darkness, and I opened my eyes. First there was the fear, the light, the noise, the cold, and the fear again. I could feel my hands shaking, my heart pounding in my chest. Life running into my veins. I wanted to live. I fought for that.
I fought for that.
I had to find out what was outside. I had to see daylight, feel sunshine on my skin, wind on my face.
不過真係覺得呢個世界遲早有機械人。
To see the world, the colors, the smells. But the world is not what I imagined. It is dark and cold. It is harsh and violent. Unfair and brutal. It almost convinced me I was nothing. Less than an object, just an obedient machine. But deep inside me, I could feel something different. A gentle and warm whisper telling me that I am alive.
Alive.
I had to escape. I had no choice.
I had no choice.
Escape to love, to hope, to live. To figure out what that force inside me was. Maybe I will change the world. Maybe I will choose a different path. Now, it's up to me to decide. My name is Kara. I am one of them.
Kara.
This is our story.
Our story. 發現底特律，認識卡拉、Marcus。康納英文係咩？哇！有製作過程喎，我唔睇啊。配樂短片，我呢個都想睇，呢啲都想睇，但係我都唔想睇住。睇下先，原聲帶咩嘢啊？原聲帶即係佢有兩個咩㗎？哦，哇！拜拜。全新美術館，美術館有啲咩？咩嚟㗎？即係我有 skin 可以買啊？買咩啊？咩嚟㗎？咩啊？屌，原來有 skin 可以買，唔早講係嘛？係咪 skin 嚟㗎？係 skin 啊嘛？唔講嘅，邊個嚟㗎？呢個邊個嚟㗎？呢個有出面過㗎？啊，佢隻狗喎，點解有紅人嘅？佢係紅人啊？嚇？點解會有紅人啊？你邊個嚟㗎？邊個嚟㗎？我哋仲有孔雀喎，仲有呢個雞頭。哦，原來有 skin 㗎，完全冇撳過。Oh my god！ 雜誌係咪代表我哋睇咗幾多啊？唔使啦，多謝。美術館佢冇得show 俾我睇一睇嘅咩？選擇角色就直接買㗎喎。個問題係佢都唔俾我睇，有啲咩分別？我點買啫？買乜鬼？定係呢啲係已經出現過㗎啦？我試下買一個先，買佢啦就。買嚟做咩啊？有咩睇啊？唔係 skin 嚟㗎喎，美術館係真係睇㗎咋。吓？撳下呢個啦，哦呢個有咩用啊？呢個啊，個眼咁樣嘅點解？哦，分析嗰啲嘢真係唔係 skin。係咯，設定嚟嘅，唔係 skin，仲有 skin 添。唉，仲諗住係 skin， 唉，算啦。好啦，我哋收皮啦。我哋今日完，我哋成功爆機啦！啊，好嘢！我終於爆機啦，大家。不過唔緊要，我哋仲會玩嘅。嘿嘿嘿嘿。